Ever looked at a job posting, or maybe just a company's tech stack and seen NetSuite staring back at you? And you thought, man, that looks important. But how do I even learn that? Especially without shelling out a fortune on expensive training courses? You're not alone. NetSuite, for those who don't know, is a powerhouse. It's a cloud-based business management suite covering everything from ERP, enterprise resource planning, to CRM, customer relationship management, and even e-commerce. It's a big deal for businesses, and that means it's a big deal for your career. But here's the catch. Traditionally, NetSuite training has been, well, let's just say, not exactly budget-friendly. You'll be looking at official certifications, partner programs, and often hefty fees. And for many, that's a barrier. So the burning question is, can you actually learn NetSuite for free? Is it even possible? And if so, how do you navigate the maze of information and resources out there? That's exactly what we're going to break down today. We're going to explore the pathways, the resources, and the strategies you can use to get a solid foundation in NetSuite without spending a dime. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Free doesn't always mean easy. You'll need to invest time, effort, and a healthy dose of self-discipline. But trust me, the payoff is worth it. So, where do we start? 1. The power of NetSuite's built-in resources. Believe it or not, NetSuite itself offers a wealth of free learning materials. You just need to know where to look. Help Center and user guides. This is your first port of call. NetSuite's Help Center is packed with detailed documentation, user guides, and tutorials. It's not the most glamorous resource, but it's comprehensive. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basic terminology and navigation. Release notes and updates. NetSuite is constantly evolving. By staying up to date with release notes and updates, you'll gain insights into new features and functionalities. This is crucial for keeping your skills relevant. Suite Answers. This is NetSuite's online knowledge base. It's a treasure trove of articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. If you encounter a specific problem, chances are someone else has already faced it and documented the solution on Suite Answers. 2. Leveraging the community and online forums. The NetSuite community is surprisingly active and supportive. You can tap into this collective knowledge through various online platforms. NetSuite user groups and forums. Look for online forums and user groups dedicated to NetSuite. These platforms are great for asking questions, sharing tips, and learning from other users' experiences. LinkedIn groups. LinkedIn is a powerful networking tool. Join NetSuite-related groups to connect with professionals, participate in discussions, and gain insights into industry trends. Stack Overflow and similar platforms. While not NetSuite-specific, platforms like Stack Overflow can be helpful for technical questions related to scripting and customization. 3. Utilizing YouTube and online tutorials. YouTube is a goldmine of free educational content. You can find numerous tutorials and walkthroughs on NetSuite. Search for specific topics. Instead of just searching NetSuite tutorial, be specific. For example, NetSuite saved search tutorial or NetSuite workflow tutorial. Look for reputable channels. Pay attention to the quality of the content and the credibility of the channel. Look for channels with clear explanations, practical examples, and positive reviews. Create your own playlist. As you find valuable tutorials, create a playlist to organize your learning and make it easy to revisit important concepts. 4. Exploring NetSuite's partner ecosystem with a twist. While partner programs often involve paid training, you can still glean valuable information from their resources. Partner blogs and websites. Many NetSuite partners publish blog posts, white papers, and webinars on their websites. These resources can provide valuable insights into best practices and industry trends. Attend free webinars and events. Some partners offer free webinars and events on specific NetSuite topics. Keep an eye out for these opportunities. 5. Building a practice environment, the key to practical learning. Theoretical knowledge is important, but practical experience is essential. NetSuite demo accounts. If available, if you can get access to a NetSuite demo account, even for a limited time, take full advantage of it. Experiment with different features and functionalities. Scenario-based learning. Create real-world scenarios and try to implement them in NetSuite. For example, try setting up a new customer, creating a sales order, or generating a report. Document your learning. Keep a journal or notebook to document your learning process. This will help you reinforce your understanding and track your progress. 6. Focusing on specific modules and roles. NetSuite is a vast platform. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on specific modules and roles that align with your career goals. Identify your interests. Are you interested in finance, sales, or operations? Choose a module that aligns with your interests. Research job roles. Look for job postings that require NetSuite skills. This will give you insights into the specific modules and functionalities that are in demand. Specialize. By focusing on a specific area, you can become an expert and increase your value in the job market. 7. Supplementing with general business and technology knowledge. NetSuite is a business management tool. A solid understanding of general business and technology concepts will enhance your learning experience. Learn about accounting and finance. If you're interested in the financial aspects of NetSuite, brush up on your accounting and finance knowledge. Understand CRM and sales processes. If you're interested in the sales and marketing aspects of NetSuite, learn about CRM and sales processes. Develop your technical skills. Familiarize yourself with basic database concepts, scripting languages like JavaScript, and web technologies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.